So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expression Studio Gallery. I have a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas and no exact idea what I'm going to expect. I'm going to give myself a layer of paint, not a heavy layer of paint, and then I'm going to move it up. I have a stretcher bar in the middle so I can press on this canvas right there. So don't freak out on me. I have a whole lot of colors over to my left, your right, in combinations that I like together. And what I've been thinking about for a while now is putting them down section by section and swiping through them. Now I'm still stuck with the I must have a configuration of shorter or longer, and at some point in time I expect to do something a little bit more radical, but this is not that yet. I need to experiment first. I'm thinking about using my Additives white metallic as a general all over background, appears wherever it appears. I don't know how to explain that. I don't really want this drying out too quickly, but I don't want it to be so overpowering that it affects much of any of the colors that I'm swiping with. I'm going to throw my spatula. It's an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, available on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on my link tree. My link tree is directly under the video. So now here goes nothing. Let's find the white metallic from Additives that I put down right here. Come on out. So that's not very important to me. What is important to me is that I use the colors that I like. And whichever place I start from, whichever color I start from is going to be the dominant color in the swipe. I did open these earlier. I'm not sure how that's going to work. So what I've got is I've got Amsterdam Black with 10 drops of pre-stained wood conditioner for Minwax in it. To 2 ounces of pre-mixed paint. So far I'm pretty happy with that. And I'm just going to work all over the place and use the colors that I think will go together. And that is a color shifting color from Folk Art, and I'm not sure what it is. It looks orange to me. And this is a magenta, a quinacridone magenta from Golden. I'm going to grab a little bit of gold. No, I'm not. Never mind. Let's use some of this dioxazine purple. The gold there is a Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold that has some orange mixed into it. And I'm trying not to mind. Boy, I so want some orange now. I don't know what's going to happen with the gaps in between. I haven't gotten that far in this assessment. This is just an experiment, and so far I'm loving it. Now, what else can I put in there and get away with? I don't want blue. Well, I do want blue, I just don't want green. Kind of want a little bit more of that right there. So I'm going to go back in. I'm going to wipe off my card. I lost my favorite card. This one's cardboard, like a stiff playing card. I want to put that somewhere else. I don't want to wipe it away. Maybe I'll wipe it on the end. No, I can't do that. I need a scrape dish. That's all there is to it. I can't wipe paint away that could be useful. I want a kind of a clean one too, and that might be asking a lot these days. Okay, so I haven't used any of this gold. That was a lot. I'm going to use some Prussian blue. It starts as a tube paint. My paint pouring recipe, by the way, is underneath the video. When you click show more. I kind of like the colors I had, and it's feeling like I maybe should have stuck with them, and this could be a little risky, but nothing ventured, nothing gained either. That is an amethyst from Artist Loft. And so far my little dribbles are working out quite nicely. I'm not worried about going over the edge anymore on these. This is working out way better than I expected, to tell you the truth. And if you need to ask me questions, feel free to ask. Oh, yeah? Do I? Okay. That's a Venetian blue. I haven't used that yet. Grab a little more. Just the tiniest amount. Of this Amsterdam black. I don't know if I dare go all the way over there. I've got something plugging my nozzle. I'll have to check on that in a minute. I might have to use a little bit more of this. I might space out and leave a gap. Might as well try everything, right? I may have to go back and fill it in between, but knowing me, if I like it, I might not. That could happen. Use my scrape dish. This is a long one. Yeah, that's all right. I'm not unhappy with that at all. It's got that little bit of white in, but the white is a very abstract background. I like the blue. I think I need some more over here. I like it with the purple. That is a Folk Art Purple Flash. And I have, oh boy, do I dare. I have some electric blue from Arteza. If I make my rows a little bit wider, then I get this leftover solid color design, which I don't mind. I usually, in a different kind of swipe, I call this a keyhole swipe. This is definitely not that. But I do like having little bits of that color left over. And this is stunning for me. I'm loving this. I just got an invitation today to go to the local winery Blueberry Festival, so I'm really contemplating whether I'm going to do that or not. I think it's April 19th. I need some more information about it, but it started me thinking about what I might want to do. I'm loving seeing how all the different combinations work together. This is the Hot Orchid with just some water in it from Color Art. I didn't use a ton of gold in here, but I like that it showed up where it did show up. I'm going to try and still restrain myself from going gold overboard. That wasn't long enough. But it's not beyond me to go back and cheat. I could do the same thing over here, but do I want to? I don't know if I want to or not. got that one big white blob. I want something else on this end, so I guess I'm going to have to do something. And I think I'm going to try and do it short. I'm not positive that you have to put these all next to each other either. I think you could put them, band them anywhere, and as long as you're dragging across, it will probably work. And we'll test that theory out right now, somewhat. I used almost all the paint I put in my dish. Now that black, excuse me, that white is still an issue for me. So I think I'm just going to blend it a little bit. Now the question for me is, do I want to do anything with those center sections? And the answer is really, I like it too much to worry about that. And I can always put a thin layer of very distilled water and Liquitex pouring medium, not pouring medium, but varnish. I can always do that. So I'm just totally, I'm totally smitten with this, such as it is. It just makes me want to do 5 more. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to get busy and get my painting sold off to UPS. Come back and maybe I'll have time to do another one of these. That was as much fun as I imagined and maybe more. There's all kinds of rooms for variations on a theme. I love my cells. I'm going to have to call it a bloom recipe even though it's not. It's a cell activator recipe based on Kathleen Miller having been somebody I was watching one day, and her recipe had Australian Floetrol in, and I was determined to use my pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax and see if it would work, add it to my regular recipe, because basically Australian Floetrol is just regular Floetrol with the additive, with that additive in there. I'm looking for something to put over my gold. I moved my top. Alright, so I love you guys. I'm going to zoom in as best I can in a moment. I'm going to tell you guys I really appreciate your thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining me. If you're a new subscriber, if you're not a new subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. You're more than welcome to join us. We'd love to have you. Ooh, that's so abstract. That's so cool. I gotta zoom in closer. So I will expect to add a small amount of sealer to the center section of this where the canvas is still matte. But I like the difference between the matte and the not matte. And it will lessen it when I coat it. But it will collect a lot less dust. Oh, wait. Those are the colors I used. Yeah, I'm just rocking and rolling. I'm so distracted right now. Alright, so what did I not tell you? Please like my videos by giving me a thumbs up. Share them. Watch them longer. Watch them when the notifications come out. Watch them the whole length sometimes. Watch them with a commercial. All those things are really helpful to my channel. Thank you very much for being helpful to my channel. If you are interested in shopping, shop the Amazon link on the link tree underneath the video and look for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and all kinds of other stuff, including the OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula. Most importantly, know that I have 18 lists of 100 on my playlists and all kinds of playlists. Go to all playlists, created playlists on my YouTube channel and look for topics and genres. And if you need a topic or a genre, or you find something you like that's a video and you want to know what the rest of the playlist is, just ask me for a link and I'll tell you. If you have questions, please ask me. I love your comments. Thank you for keeping my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. If you would like to be in the monthly drawing and have a chance to win a painting, there's never more than 15 or 20 people in there, and it helps support the production of videos and the purchase of art supplies, and I really appreciate that. And you can see a brand new exhibition video at the very end or the very beginning of every month, and it runs all month long, and it has all of the prizes shared with you in that exhibition video. So if you watch it, you'll know what they are, and they're usually first. I don't make you wade through the whole thing again or jump forward, whatever. My email address is the best place to contact me. If you're interested in a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, please contact me there. And if you're interested in a purchasing an artwork, or you need the link to an artwork that you've decided you'd like to have reproduced, use the email address directly under the link tree. When you open Show More, you'll find it. If you need anything from me at all, or you are interested in Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, or Facebook groups, the link tree is the place to go, and my website is there also. So if you want to find tomorrow's video, you will look for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, or the community board on my YouTube channel. I love you guys. I'm tired. I talk too much. I will see you guys anon. I love you very much. Thank you for being here. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.